Switching to the Essential Graphics Workspace. So right now I'm in my editing workspace. If I go up to Window and I go to Workspaces, I want to switch and I want to go to Graphics. And so I'm going to pick on Graphics and it's going to rebuild my workspace. Over on the right I have Essential Graphics and Essential Sound. I want to be in the Essential Graphics, and this is where all my graphics including my text will be. So if we just go down, you can see that I have various types of titles here. So I need to have this up on the screen, or if you have a second monitor, it'd be nice to put it over there. But the first thing we have to do when working and creating titles is we have to switch our workspace, and we need to get to that. So once again, I'm in Window, Workspace, I'm in the Essential Graphics, is listed as Graphics. If any time I need to go back to editing, I can just switch back to my editing.